this video, we will be creating a bouquet of flowers using paper, which should look like this when it's done. Here are some of the materials that you will need for this video. You'll need some 6 by 6 inch construction paper, a circle, scissors, and a container that will be used to hold your bouquet. You can use a vase if you'd like, but I chose to use a bigger container. You also need some tape and a stapler if you run out of tape. So you want to take your 6 by 6 inch construction paper and fold it a little bit at the corner like that, just enough to make a dent. And then you want to roll the square into a cone just like that. And you want to make sure that there are no holes at the corner, because what we're going to do soon is we are going to make the square into a cone using tape. And so you'll want to tape the corner of the cone first, and then the edge of the cone. So you want to make sure that both tapes stick together and make the cone stand on its own. Make sure there's a tape at the top and the bottom. Then take the circle that you cut out and start taping the cones onto it to make the base. So what you're going to want to do is fold the cone, and that'll just make it easier to put it on the paper. So then the next step is to either tape or staple it onto the circle. And you can choose to directly tape it onto the circle, or you can make the tape go onto the back of the cone so that it's easy to tape it down. And then you want to just keep adding paper cones to the circle, and what you're going to eventually do is create 3 layers for the bouquet, and each time that you lay it down, don't forget to fold the cone first. Again, if you run out of tape, you can use glue or you can use a stapler. And when you lay each cone down, don't forget to leave a little space in between. The next step is to hold the paper cones together like you would a bouquet and place it into a container. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.